Hi folks. Last year I noticed this white oak had very few leaves, and by fall all the leaves were gone. And this year, fast forward, I noticed that there's all kinds of fungus grown at different places on this tree. Clear up the main trunk. I don't know how well we could see this. It's different fungus. You can see it better here. And anyway, it's got to come down. And the plan is to do it tomorrow. Let's see if we can see this. There's a nice cluster right there. No idea what it is, and nobody will tell me. But actually, looking close at it, you can see all these holes that were bored into through the bark. And I think this may be an after effect after a tree is dead, that the different bugs and really get in underneath the bark and start breaking the wood down. It's past the bark into the candium layer, and it's clear up there. It sounds bad down here. Sounds hollow at the base. Up high, that sounds pretty solid. Okay. Yeah, she has to come down tomorrow a.m. Beautiful tree it was. Not many white oaks in this woods. Over and out for the day. Yeah, here we go. Here goes nothing.
The rest is all flooring. Just gonna get all cut up. Over and out. You guys have a good one.
Well, it's 3 hours later. I got most of that cut up. Limbs for burning. I ran out of gas twice. I still got this trunk to cut up. And here's some of those growths. I'd like to know what they are. They're all over the side here. I don't want to go out in there. There's another troubled area right there. Don't know what I'm going to do there, but yeah, we'll see. That stuff's cut up, ready to burn. This cut up in the firewood. And I think what may have killed this tree is this area right here. It was kind of hollow. You could see it broke off when it touched down. And this was probably a raccoon burrow. I still got that piece to cut, but the rest, all the limbs are cut up. I took one live limb off of that tree, but that's not gonna hurt. That's ironwood. That's a nice tree. Okay, let's look at it this way. See, it's unbelievable how much growth there is. So a tree definitely needed to come down. I mean, there's just no two ways about it. It's definitely heavily damaged. It wasn't hollow like I thought it was. It was just bark bouncing off the tree. And I think we're gonna call it a day. We're tired. So you all have a good day. See ya. Bye.